this video was live, super, amazing. CHOBHAM flying aeroplanes. Weather forecast, UK 23. Like this video. Please a thumbs up. Other side of the screen from me. Time at the moment, digital at the moment, approximately, wow, 14:40 PM in the afternoon. In hour, 20 minutes to Wednesday the 30th of August, 23 guys. This is one of these beautiful aeroplanes flying around us right now.
Straight ahead of you.
There it is, over there. My camera Tony. The weather is beautiful and sunny and cloudy. Such a calm spoiled road today for flying planes. A very gusty wind. So we've got a northwesterly wind today, very gusty northwesterly wind. And yeah, it's a beautiful day to get out about. Last of the summer wide weather. We will get some warm weather this weekend. Last of this break, there's more thundery showers. Of course, the southeast sunny winds. The highest 22, maybe 24 Celsius. I would say 26, 28 Celsius very likely. Make the most of it today, please. Please on the sunscreen. This is my friend's Mike and Jim on the IT5 thing. Sorry, Hill Race the Show Friday, 3 to 5 PM. It's just the hundreds of the IT5 thing. Sorry, Hill Race Station Show every Friday. And this is my friend John Matt on the Bike Race Show every Sunday. Live show at 9 to 12 PM. And this is my friend Shane for the years every Monday afternoon, 2 to 3 PM. Digital. That's 1450 weeks in Surrey Hills Race Station in the afternoon. Please subscribe to the show on Sunday as well. Happy ones on those ones. Bye.